Hello everyone and welcome to today's episode of How To. Today we will be learning how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Before we start, you need two things: a 2x2 Rubik's Cube and determination. Now, along with these, there are terms in the cubing community that you have to learn before learning the algorithm to solve a 2x2. The terms refer to how you move the cube around. So on the right side, moving it up and down is referred to as RU and RD. On the left side, moving it up and down is referred to as LU and LD. The top piece, moving it left or right, is referred to as TL and TR. And the bottom piece, moving it left and right, is referred to as BL and BR. So now that you've learned the terms and are familiar with how we move the Rubik's Cube around, now it's time to solve the white side of the Rubik's Cube. Solving the white side of the Rubik's Cube is the only part of solving a Rubik's Cube that does not require a specific algorithm. The only really thing you need to do is find all the white pieces. So here's one, here's another, and here's another, and there's our final one. There was 4 on the 2x2. So pretty much all you want to do is figure out which piece you want all of the other pieces to go to, and just get them all on the same face, like so. And as you see, we have solved the white face of the Rubik's Cube. Now we take a look at the rim of the white side. So if you move right here, there are all these colors and pieces around this side, and you see they are all mismatched except for one, which is the orange side. We're gonna try and get all of these sides to look like the orange side except with different colors, just having matching colors all around the rim. Something I forgot to mention while I was recording the video, I'm just now noticing this, is if you're trying to solve the top pieces that are surrounding the white piece and there are just none that match each other, you're going to follow the same exact algorithm as you would if you did have the two matching like you do here, which I will show to you in just a second. I just wanted to pop in and just mention this because I saw this while editing the video. So what you want to do is have the white side facing up and then face the matching side outward to where it's not facing you, and you'll follow this simple algorithm. And it goes like this: right down, bottom left, right up, left down, bottom right, left up, right down, and bottom left, and finally right up. And as you can see, we have all of these colored sides are now solved, and that's exactly where we want to be to go on to the next step. So the next step is solving the yellow side. So now we turn the cube over where the white side is facing down, and as you can see, this is where all the yellow is supposed to be. Right now it's on the sides of the cube, but it's going to be right here on the top piece. And pretty much we just want to get all of the yellow pieces up on the top, obviously. Okay, so another thing that I noticed while editing the video, I also forgot to mention that the way you want to turn these top bricks right here to get the yellow on top is to make sure that there is always a yellow piece right here, because that is the side that we're turning. You always want a yellow piece to be on top to end up right here. So yeah, that's also a little small thing that I forgot to put in the main video. So again, I just wanted to hop in and let words. So we're gonna turn the top, and the way we get all the yellow pieces on top is following this simple algorithm. So it's right up, top left, down right, top left, up right, and top left twice. And now you can see we actually have 2 pieces of the yellow on top. So now to learn what we do with these 2 diagonal pieces. So what you always want to do, if you only have 1 yellow piece on top or 2 pieces in a diagonal like this, you always want to make sure one is in the bottom left if you can. If you can't, that's all right, but you should always want to make sure you try and get it in the bottom left on the top of the cube. And if they're stacked on top of each other, like if the yellow were right here and right here, you'd want them to be on the right side, so lining this right here. So again, we'll do the algorithm again. So right up, top left, right down, top left, right up, and top left twice. And now you can see we have another one right here, so we do it again: right up, top left, right down, top left, right up, and top left twice. And now you see we were left with one, so we put it in the bottom left, do it again, And now you see we're left with 1 again, so we put it back in this corner, and right up, top left, right down, top left, right up, and top left twice. And we have solved the cube by accident. Oh joy. Sorry about that. I had to go get it mixed up again because I accidentally solved it. So now that we have the yellow side solved, now it's time to move on to actually solving the rest of the cube. So as you can see, all the other sides are mixed up, the white side is still there, but if we turn and see, the orange side is actually solved. So usually you'll find them just kind of sitting around like that, like you had to turn it or whatever, but sometimes they are actually solved like this. But if it's not, if you find out that there's no other sides apart from yellow and white solved, that's okay, because you follow the same algorithm to find the other side as you do to solve the rest of the cube. And what we're going to do is face the yellow side towards us, face the solved side that isn't white up at the ceiling, and face the white out. So pretty much what we do from here is this final algorithm, which is right down, bottom right, right down, top left twice, right up, bottom left, right up. Oh my gosh. Well, that just happened. Well, if that wasn't the second catastrophe to happen on this video, me accidentally solving the Rubik's Cube, and now accidentally solving the Rubik's Cube, so I got it back to where we were, where it's the yellow side solved and the white side solved, but this time the green side is solved. It doesn't have to be a specific color that's solved, but it helps just to have one solved. But again, if there's not a side that is solved after solving yellow, that is alright. So again, we're going to have the yellow facing us, random color that has been solved facing upward, and white facing out. So again, to start from the beginning of the algorithm, to finish solving the cube, it's right down, bottom right, right down, top left twice, right up, bottom left, right up, top twice to the left, right up twice, and top twice, or top left twice again. And as you can see, we still have the yellow side and still have the white side, and if we turn it once to the right here on top, we have finished solving the Rubik's Cube. Now, with solving it without the side actually being finished, you're gonna have to do that algorithm twice. So you'd have to go do the algorithm again. And with the yellow, it depends on where your yellow pieces are and how they would act. So yeah, that is how you solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you use this in the future as like a party trick, and I hope you do share it with your friends. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.